Introduction. Hello, I'm John. Times are tough and my bank balance is low. One day I received a WhatsApp message about a job offering $1,000 a day. The offer seemed incredible and they wanted me to apply immediately. They just needed some information first: my country ID, address, phone number, and bank account. I was so eager I didn't think twice about sending it all. But then, things started to get strange. The employer asked me to start working on a fake website and pay money to earn money. Desperate, I kept paying until I ran out of money. When I wanted my earnings back, the scammer vanished. Now I know better. The job market is tough, and scammers prey on our desperation. Do your research on any job offer you receive. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. And